How to stop seeing TikTok videos which you are not interested in. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Deletes. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch your TikTok app on your phone. Make sure the For You page is selected at the top. Now, you need to find the video that you are not interested in or don't want to see them more of. You can simply scroll and find it. So now you need to long press on the video to bring up the options menu. Select not interested from the menu. Now this will immediately remove the video from your For You page. TikTok will show fewer videos like that in the future. If you wanna stop seeing videos from a specific users, follow the same steps. After you long press the video, select not interested. Also, you can tap the share icon at bottom right corner of the screen. And here you simply need to tap on why this video or simply not interested. So when you select why you are seeing this post, tap on OK button and then simply hide the video as well. You can also alternatively hide videos with a specific sound as well. So in this way you can easily stop seeing TikTok videos which you are not interested in. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.